Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to travel on a budget, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to share with you 5 insanely affordable budget travel destinations that you can visit now. Destination 1. Mexico. With affordable flights, food, accommodation, and transportation, Mexico is a great destination for budget travelers. Explore ancient ruins, colorful towns, and beautiful beaches without breaking the bank. Destination number 2, Thailand. Accommodation, food, and transportation are all very affordable in Thailand. There are plenty of free and low-cost activities to enjoy, from exploring temples to hiking through national parks. Destination number 3, Portugal. Portugal is one of the most affordable destinations in Europe, with stunning beaches, historic cities, and delicious food. Stay in hostels or budget hotels, eat at local restaurants, and take public transportation to save money. Destination number 4. Indonesia. With stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and delicious food, Indonesia is a budget traveler's paradise. Accommodation, food, and transportation are all very affordable, and you can explore the islands by scooter or boat. Destination number 5, Nicaragua. This Central American country is a great budget travel destination with stunning natural beauty, colonial architecture, and friendly locales. Stay in budget hotels, eat at local markets, and take public transportation to save money. And there you have it, 5 insanely affordable budget travel destinations to visit now. Remember to stay safe, pack light, and be open to new experiences. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration.